Grimsby got tongues, tasting what they held, fleshed on hard zero braid, entranced by the fragrance rain, braiding into hard shower shard, braided into hard zero. Pain today, hailstone, must be the devil, no, Axes, Ecclesiastes, no, Ben, yeah, will be reversed in world, sheathed in the family story, recovered out of necessity, forged beyond a despair, with no other desolation beside it, upon what had arrived, pleading Hugh's horizon, God voice that kept asking, bent, must be the devil, no, hailing, hailed on in the fragrance rain. Sad marketplace. Sad market. And marketplace. Marketplace. Sad market. Sad marketplace. Sad marketplace, marketplace, and seizure, star, seizing pain that, hands that hold that, contact hues, touch colors, my eyes had forgotten. Morning star and morning star.